Is TapTap Send having issues today? If you're experiencing problems with TapTap Send, you're probably wondering if the app is down or having issues today. Like any online service, TapTap Send can occasionally face downtime or technical glitches due to server maintenance, high user traffic, or other unforeseen circumstances. To check if the issue is widespread, you can visit platforms like Down Detector or social media forums, where users often report real-time problems. If others are reporting similar concerns, it's likely a service-wide issue, and you may need to wait until the problem is resolved. However, if no one else seems to be affected, the issue might be on your end, such as poor internet connection, outdated app versions, or incorrect login details. In such cases, try troubleshooting by restarting the app, updating it, or clearing your cache. If the problem persists, reach out to TapTap Send's customer support for assistance. In a nutshell, whether it's a system-wide issue or a personal glitch, identifying the root cause is key to resolving it quickly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.